In this support video, we will replace the LED light for the 1778 24-inch refrigerator model. Before we begin, disconnect the power source. You may also want to remove all drawers and shelves for easier access. The LED light cover has front 3 clips that can pry open with a flat-headed screwdriver. Carefully unclip and remove the cover. The LED light is fastened by 3 clip brackets that can be loosened with a flat-headed screwdriver. Do not overpower. Unplug the wire harness and remove the light. With your new light, plug in the wire harness. Place the light back into its position. Clip back the LED cover. Installation is complete.